In this video, I'll break down my top 5 glutamine supplements, my experiences, and which supplement I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked supplement, and at the end of the video, you will find out which one, in my opinion, is the best glutamine supplement and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the TransformHQ L-Glutamine powder. Our 5th ranked powder offers 500 grams of pure L-glutamine per bottle, providing 100 servings. This supplement stands out for its clean ingredient profile, containing only pure L-glutamine without any fillers or additives. The unflavored powder is versatile and easy to use, mixing well with 8 to 12 ounces of water. Its purity ensures that users receive the full benefits of L-glutamine without any unnecessary components. The product is both gluten-free and non-GMO, catering to those with specific dietary requirements. The large quantity per bottle offers excellent value for consumers. TransformHQ's commitment to using only pure ingredients sets this supplement apart in the market. At number 4, we have the Nutricost L-Glutamine powder. Nutricost L-Glutamine offers pure unflavored L-glutamine powder in a convenient and cost-effective package. The product contains 100% pure L-glutamine with no additives or fillers, ensuring maximum potency and effectiveness. Each serving provides 5 grams of L-glutamine, with 50 to 100 servings per container depending on the size. The powder is non-GMO, gluten-free, and vegetarian-friendly, catering to various dietary needs. Manufactured in a GMP-compliant FDA-registered facility, Nutricost L-Glutamine undergoes rigorous third-party testing to guarantee quality and purity. The fine powder dissolves easily in liquids, making it simple to incorporate into shakes or beverages. Its unflavored nature allows for versatile use without altering the taste of drinks. Nutricost's commitment to providing only what you need, nothing you don't, is evident in this straightforward, high-quality L-Glutamine supplement. At number 3, we have Jacked Factory Creatine and Glutamine. This creatine and glutamine supplement offers a potent combination of 2 key muscle-supporting ingredients. This supplement contains 5 grams of pure creatine monohydrate and 5 grams of L-glutamine per serving, providing a clinically effective dose of both compounds. The product is manufactured in a CGMP-certified facility in the United States, ensuring high quality and purity standards. It contains no artificial flavors, colors, or sweeteners, making it a clean choice for those seeking a pure supplement. The unflavored powder mixes easily with water or other beverages, allowing for versatile consumption. With 30 servings per container, this supplement offers good value for those looking to support muscle recovery and performance. At number 2, we have Force Factor L-Glutamine powder. Our runner-up pick stands out for its premium quality and purity. This post-workout recovery supplement contains no artificial colors, preservatives, or gelatin, ensuring a clean and better-for-you product. The powder form allows for easy mixing and consumption, making it convenient for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. The supplement undergoes rigorous testing to validate the potency and purity of its ingredients. This commitment to quality control ensures that users receive a reliable and effective product. The primary ingredient, L-glutamine, is an essential amino acid, known for its role in muscle recovery and immune function. Force Factor's L-glutamine powder is designed to support post-workout recovery, potentially aiding in muscle repair and reducing recovery time. Its simple formulation focuses on delivering a concentrated dose of L-glutamine without unnecessary additives. The product's emphasis on purity makes it suitable for those with dietary restrictions or sensitivities. Its unflavored nature allows for versatile use, as it can be easily mixed into various beverages or foods without altering taste. At number 1, we have Designs for Health BCAA powder with L-glutamine. This powder is the best glutamine supplement you can buy on the market and is a high-quality amino acid supplement designed to support muscle health and recovery. This orange-flavored drink mix contains a potent blend of branched-chain amino acids and L-glutamine, providing a comprehensive formula for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. The product's main ingredients include L-leucine, L-glutamine, L-isoleucine, and L-valine. These amino acids work synergistically to promote muscle synthesis and maintenance. The inclusion of L-glutamine sets this supplement apart, as it plays a crucial role in supporting gut health and immune function. Designs for Health adheres to strict quality standards, ensuring the product is non-GMO, gluten-free, and vegetarian-friendly. The The company's commitment to purity is evident in their no-compromise approach to raw material selection, making this BCAA powder a trusted choice among functional medicine professionals. The powder form allows for easy mixing and absorption with a recommended serving size of 9 grams per day. Its versatility makes it suitable for various fitness goals, from building lean muscle mass to supporting recovery after strenuous physical activity. So that sums up my top 5 glutamine supplements I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.